Palestine-Israel conflict. The current violence, like in past, happened due to conflicting claims over Jerusalem, home to major holy sites of Islam, Judaism and Christianity. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict is an ongoing struggle since mid-20th century. It is believed the very same conflict is the reason for a lot of struggles throughout Middle East. The major part of terrorism in Middle East is fueled by the Israel-Palestine issue. Claims to the land. Israelis, Jewish people with religious and historical ties to the land. Palestinians, Muslim Arabs with religious and historical ties to the land. Palestine, the loss of land from 1947 to 2021. Hamas and Israel. Israel and Hamas have a history of fighting 3 wars and various skirmishes since the militant group seized control of Gaza in 2007. Recent outbreaks of fights were mediated by Qatar, Egypt and various other Middle East countries. Egypt helps Israel in controlling Gaza's border to halt weapons from landing in the hands of Hamas. Palestinians, however, are claiming to be tortured by both Hamas and Israeli army equally, which Israel denies. Now a new tension between the two parties has emerged when in mid-April 2021 night clashes took place between police and Palestinians. Reasons for the conflicts: Jerusalem, Palestine refugees of 1948, security fence, settlements in West Bank, Palestinian terrorism, water resources. The conflict has been going on for more than 100 years between Jews and the Arabs over a piece of land between the Jordan River and the Mediterranean Sea. In between 1882 to 1948, Jews from all around the world gathered in Palestine. This movement came to be known as Aliyahs. Then in 1917, Ottoman Empire fell after World War I and UK got control over Palestine. The Balfour Declaration was issued after Britain gained control with the aim to provide a home for the Jews in Palestine. But during that period, the Arabs mostly were in majority in Palestine. Jews favored the idea while the Palestinians rejected it. Millions of Jews lost their lives in the Holocaust. Then it was in the year 1948 that Britain lifted its control over the area and Jews declared the creation of Israel. Palestinians objected, which led to an armed conflict. This made thousands of Palestinians flee their homes, and this was called as Al-Nakba. Israel had gained maximum control over the territory. Jordan then went on a war with Israel and seized control over a part of the land, which was called the West Bank, and Egypt occupied Gaza. Then Jerusalem was divided between Israel in the west and Jordan in the east, but there is no formal peace agreement signed between them. After that, Israeli forces captured East Jerusalem and the West Bank and the various areas of Syrian Golan Heights, Gaza and the European Sinai Peninsula in the year 1967. And that time, Palestinian refugees and families lived in Gaza and the West Bank, along with in the border areas of neighboring Jordan, Syria and Lebanon. However, they were not allowed to return after the Israeli forces captured the areas, as they considered it a threat to Jews.